Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope guys you are doing well. Viewers, right now in front of you Canon inktank printer. The model number is G6040. If I will zoom it, the model you will see G6040 model. And the issue is with this printer. If I gave test command from my laptop, okay. Here we go. I gave the test command and it's right now on the screen showing printing. Let's see the result of the print. Let it print first. Okay, here we go. You will see on the screen black is not printing, and the color also, this should be blue, and this is I think something pink or what. How to fix this problem, the poor print quality or missing the prints or missing the colors? Today I will teach you. Stay with me, watch the complete video. Okay viewers, to fix the print quality for this printer, like if it's missing the colors or missing the text or pictures not clear, and also while you have ink tanks are full. So how to fix this? And you can see I think ink is not well crossing these pipes. So what to do, you have to in your dashboard go to press this tool button, and then the right arrow, 2 3 4 times right arrow, then go to maintenance, and then move right arrow till you will see ink flush. Okay, you will see the last one, ink flush. Press OK. Ink flush all colors, yes, press OK. The function cannot be used if any ink level is below the single dot. I think there is a dot on the printed. Okay, no problem, just press OK. Have all the ink tanks been refilled? We'll press yes. Ink flush requires a lot of ink, yes. Ink flush about 9 minutes. Yes, ink flush process has been started. It will consume about 9 minutes. Let it complete, then we will check the print quality. You can see on the screen. Yes viewers, ink flush process has been finished. Now we will go again to our laptop screen, and I will give print test page command to make sure that the print quality, how is it now, and before you see it printed totally blank page, nothing on the paper. Ink flush process you can find also in printing preferences option in the computer, and if you don't have computer you can use directly from the dashboard. As I mentioned earlier, you have to press this tool button. Now it's printing the page, little bit. Press the tool button, then you have to find maintenance, and inside maintenance tab you will find ink flush process. As you can see, black, it's printing very fine. Before it was totally blank page, and color is still problem because there is no ink in the tanks. Ink tanks are near to empty. Okay guys, you can, when you will make ink flush process, make sure that the ink tanks are full, because it will consume the inks from tanks to the cartridges till the ink pad behind. This was the process about ink flush in G6040 printer. You can fix the poor print quality or missing the text, or if totally blank page, you can fix this easily at home. If you have any questions about Canon G6040 printer viewers, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.